What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we pulled up to Kings of the South, Atlanta. We made it to the block party and all the above, man. We pulled off our motorcycle, hopped on that thing, rolled around ATO for a second, but it is the next morning here, man. I have to park my truck across the street because you guys know I'm downtown Atlanta right now. You guys know downtown, they always say, don't park your car in a public parking space. Your window's gonna be gone, man. When I came back in last night, where we was gonna park across the street, somebody's window was already busted, man. So I'm hoping my window is not busted. I'm hoping my truck is still there, man. Let's hope for the best and see what's going on. Meanwhile, if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the Big Daddy giveaway, man, you guys know I got my 2023 F450 Big Daddy dually truck paired together for first place with our 131 Reese's Pieces Road Glide. Not only the bike and the truck, but I got a 1987 Monte Carlo SS that I'm going to get to you as well for first place, man. Meanwhile, second place, you guys know we got a 2020 C8 Corvette paired together with second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Special, man. So I can't wait. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you either a hat or a sticker. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. Today you get 1,000 entries per hat purchase. You get 500 entries per sticker purchase, man. Meanwhile, you guys know we are also giving away our 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat, man. So if you guys want a chance at winning either one of these prizes, head on over there to everythingregular.com right now and go get in the win, man. Meanwhile, let's walk over here and check out our truck and see what it's looking like. Alrighty, guys, lovely downtown, lovely downtown. I don't care how lovely downtown is, I swear to you, they gonna find a way to make your day not the greatest. Look, window on the floor. This thing has been doing this all night, literally, since I got here. I seen it last night when I came, though. My truck over yonder, let's hope for the best. They got his truck, they window still intact, they window still intact, still intact, they window still good. Let's see what our windows is looking like, because we have to park way down the road, way down the road, way down. We're gonna see and hope for the best, man. Alrighty, looks like our two windows on this side is still good. All right, we are still good, man. I just knew they were gonna freaking come bust our windows out, so I guess we're good to go. I guess we're good to go, man. Look, I gotta push this back in here because that thing is so annoying. You don't even know, boy. You don't even know, boy. But we live to ride another day, man. Let's slide. I see it here first, man. We just pulled up on the guy himself, man. Y'all see the truck. Y'all see the truck, man. Just pulled up on the guy himself and the rest of the gang. Turkey Leg Hut, man. It's a movie. Big sprinters. I had to freaking park my motorcycle over here because I'm staying downtown and ain't no parking downtown. So this is where my bike was at. But
you realize that? Yeah. Okay. My bar days slipping right now, nigga. You realize that? Whole time from now, my bar days are slipping, and I'm still doing 120 on the highway.
I'm doing 130.
You ain't want to do no 130 on the motherfucking highway. You want to do no 130 on the freeway. You was not doing no 130.
Ever say it?
Ever say he was doing 130 on the freeway?
It didn't live by.
Ain't nobody can fuck with my bike, man.
No, he said he was doing 130 on the freeway.
I said ain't nobody in here can fuck with my bike.
On the
highway.
But
I got a 117.
I got a 107 gonna beat that 117 right there.
they got the
that shit
things
sound
out here, man.
Mexican pipes on the back. Some of you beat that motherfucker. You know, hey. You better ain't go over 50 when I walk with me.
Just for Slim, man. I'm gonna give it to myself because I'll be just.
Damn, I picked the wrong one out there. Yeah. Hey, I would've got this drama over. Shit.
That's the better one. That's the one I ain't got shit.
Just pulled up, man. It's a movie.
I don't either. I take the icing off though. I don't like icing. Cupcakes, I take the icing off.
CVO after CVO after CVO. After road glide. No, it's all good, huh?
Lefty on the way?
That's what he say. Shit, we gonna see. I hope so. I'm confident.
I thought you'd ride yours.
I can ride mine too.
I'm not saying that. But two motherfuckers can ride it, so y'all pay.
Oh yeah, it's all good. We gonna figure it out.
We gonna put me in a car and she gonna nice take that shit.
Yeah, that motherfucker feel good.
Yeah. That motherfucker got ass like.
You know what motherfucker? Proud of this shit. Proud of that motherfucker.
Hey, nah, hey, I bet it off. I built that bitch off the ground.
Yeah, no, for
sure. That bitch off the ground. All work, no hustle.
Come on, man.
Shit, he finna go get another. He finna go to Mississippi. He talking about going today. Nah, I'm going to, what you call it, right here, the 130, man. I want to go get that yellow one.
Oh, you like the yellow one?
Nah, it's right here. This is right here. This came from. When we bought that's what I was saying. You sure right. You're right.
That's the one you want, the yellow one?
Yeah, the yellow black one?
Yeah, yellow CVO.
Yeah. No, it ain't a CVO, it's a special.
Oh, it's a special. Oh, the newer ones. I think it's the 23, right? Yeah. He said he ain't slide.
That's the king of the highway right there.
This one right here, man. What you do to this one, man? Cause it look like it don't.
Ain't nothing but a Bassani, man.
But Bassani, oh my God, I don't believe that, man.
In here, that's it. Ain't nothing.
I know how pipes sound, man.
Smell the fuel, ain't nothing fuel. It's just our good old highway bike, man.
That's crazy.
Don't put regular on that, motherfucker.
I put regular on there. I'm putting on 93.
Judging by your brake set and all that, man, I don't think it's too regular. Judging by the brake set, I don't think it's too regular, man.
Too regular.
It ain't too regular. It ain't just a Bassani on there, man. It ain't just a Bassani on there, man. It's all good, though. I like to play that game, too. All right, man. We got them bikes pulled out. We got Reese's Pieces right here. We got the turkey leg hook. We got gang, and more gang, man. Y'all see what it is. One of them things out today, though. Okay. Well, I can say it ain't the same bike from last time. He got a lighter bike this time.
Make all this you want.
Hey, man, I've been looking for you for a minute, man.
You gonna be through looking today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that energy, man. Reese's Pieces. I done got my first race in. That was versus like a 140 something. So we riding 131 versus 140. I kind of like took off easy, but you know what time it is, man. We gonna test and tune out some more today and see what we could do and see what we got going on, man.
Hey, my dude, y'all supposed to be running it back or no?
Shit, if he want to.
I mean, that's something that you gotta work out.
He got a fast ass. I mean, his bike faster than mine for sure. But if he want to race again, we can race.
It's fast on the top side, fast mother. Huh?
Yeah, it's faster on the top end for sure. So I gotta pray on him fucking up. So I ain't gonna beat him straight up. But if he
I'll beat you.
You got it here on camera, man. You got it here on camera, man. I can't say nothing else right now, man. You got it here on camera, man.
Hey, now you know.
It's all love, man.
Yeah.
Just know that it's all love, man. I want that road glide though, man.
Wait, took off faster.
Yeah, you probably right. Shit.
Yeah, he got that top end on there.
Bogged out.
Yeah, that thing, man.
You bogged out, bro. You bogged out. When you hit that, you were gone in the beginning. You just opened your...
That motherfucker, that nigga shit is Appreciate you, man.
Shout it out, post.
Man, come on, man. Open it up for me so they can see it, man. My guy just brought me a shirt off the strength, man. Come on, man. You see what's going on. Did you see the race right now, man?
Yeah, I just watched it.
How it look from your view? Because I ain't really see it just yet.
I don't talk about it.
Hey, man, Harley Dreams, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all go support my guy, follow him up and all that. Where can they follow you at,
Trey
man?
Robinson, man, on Instagram. Trey Robinson, T-R-A-Y Robinson.
Robinson, man. Y'all know what time it is. Trey Robinson, man. I appreciate you, man. It's always love. It's always love. We on that 131 today, man. Everybody want to race me, so we gonna get it out the way early before Wolfpack come in here and just dominate, man. So we gonna get it going. Appreciate you, bro. Good looking out. Hell yeah. Trying to have some fun, though, man. Let's see what we got. That was a good one, man.
That bro, shit.
I like that.
No,
for sure, for sure. Man, let me see what they got in this trailer, man. Let me see what they got in this trailer, man. Miami is in the house. Florida boys is here. Florida boys is here. Okay. Oh, they got some joints. Air pressure out and everything already. Y'all came prepared. Oh, they got some bikes up in there. Okay. Check him out then. Check him out. Y'all see what's going on.
Hey, did you miss second or you just, what happened?
Nah, I was fucking going into the grass.
Oh,
yeah, no, I was fucking, if I would have like kept straight, I would have went right into the grass.
Yeah.
God, that shit was scary. Y'all see what's going on, man.
20-pound bag of dog food on the back of that.
He wants our weight. He got our drive.
Hey, he gon' hook, huh? That nigga hook.
Y'all niggas see what the fuck going on.
I went first and second. They come up in third, too. What's going on?
These dogs gonna eat.
They got them things out today, boy. They brought them things out today. They got some stuff up in there. They got some stuff up in there, man. They gonna bring them out. We gonna see what's good. I ain't even seen one of these in person yet. That's the crazy part. I ain't even seen the green CVO in person. Y'all see what's going on, man. They pulling the CVOs out the dang thing, man. Out the dang CVO after CVO. We about to get some racing in today. I can't wait. We about to get some racing in today. I can't wait. Okay, go ahead. Let me hear it. Oh yeah, he on some gas. Yeah, it smells good too. That's the one they want to race right there, that green CVO?
Right now, yeah, that's what we're gonna run with that.
Okay. You see, they ain't trying to start this thing at all. That's how you know it got some ooh and ah to it. Got that ooh and ah effect. They ain't even trying to start this thing. Got some ooh and ah to it? Yeah, come on, man. You see what's going on? How you doing?
All right.
Good seeing you, man. They got them joints out here, man. I can't wait. They got some nice bikes.
I got a generator tonight, and I can be able to put
How about 5 o'clock in the morning? You wake up there for
Vamos para atrás para darle comida a Flaco, ¿sabes? Flaco no comió.
Flaco la cogió de allá.
This is CVO. They want me to race right now. We gonna race this thing and see what's good. just raced this CVO right here, man. This thing is freaking nice. I ain't gonna hold you. Not only look good, run good too, man. You know, it's cool to get beat by the best, though. I ain't gonna hold you. I can take my losses like a champ, man. Some people can't take that, man. So y'all gotta understand, man. It's a nice bike, man. My guy. He said you want to. Hey, I might, huh? I might. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Hey, you know this the first one I seen in real life on God. Like,
we're gonna raffle it here tonight.
Yo, raffle it, let's do it up. Come on. What we doing? He said the real price or aftermarket price, huh? Nah, that thing's sweet though.
Either price, you know what you're getting, right?
Right, huh? Yeah, nah, it ran good though, and it looked good. I like it.